To save and access web page offline in the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Open the desired web page. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. And then tap Add Page to. Select Save Pages to save the currently open web page to the Save Pages list. To see how this feature works, turn off all of your internet connection. Close all tabs in the Internet app. Tap New tab. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. And then tap Save Pages. Here you can see the list of web pages you have saved before. Tap the desired web page to open it offline. Given to the function, you can use Save Pages feature to save web pages so you can view it offline. It ensures you can access important information or content even when you don't have internet access. As an example, when traveling to areas with limited or no internet connection, to save tutorial, articles, or references material for later use, or when you simply want to avoid using mobile data for repeated access to the same page. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.